and welcome to the Frontier onboarding series. In this part, we will introduce the Threadboard module. The Threadboard module is the platform's workflow tool that provides a system for organizing, arranging, communicating, and monitoring assets, from inquiry to procurement and beyond. The swim lane design allows user-configured column headers to be created for organizing cards of assets in a workflow manner best suited for the organization. In this example, a user can monitor fabrics from requests and inquiries all the way through sampling yardage and even bulk production. Each card represents an open line of communication between two parties about a specific asset. On the surface, you can see high-level summary data, including an image, how many organizations are communicating, the number of messages, starred messages, tags, and even the number of individuals communicating within a given asset. If there are new unread messages, they will show up as a green bubble as indicated here. If you click on a card, it pulls open a side drawer with more detailed information. At the top, you can edit the thread name as well as pull up a thread summary by clicking the thread summary icon. Also in this side tab, you can toggle between internal, external, and all messages, star a message, and even filter a message by user, date, or sticker tags added. You may also create a new sticker message. First, you will want to toggle between internal and external user. Then you can type your message. You can @ a specific user by hitting the @ symbol. You can tag a message by either creating a new tag or selecting an existing tag. And then you can simply add your message. Below that, you can click on the message thread to reveal the conversation and add to the conversation by using the Add a Sticker Message button. And with that, we are at the end of this step in onboarding. We hope you learned a little bit about the Threadboard module. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to support@Frontier.cool. Thanks for watching, good luck, and enjoy your Frontier experience.